Very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. And in today's live streaming, I'm gonna predict about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100 futures, the US Tech 100, crude oil, WTI, natural gas, yes, natural gas, copper, Bitcoin, and I'm gonna predict all these on the basis of astrology and numerology. So let me start with S&P 500 today. So S&P 500 is slightly bearish today, and a level of 6871 is likely to get tested today. 6871. It is likely that the S&P 500 will fall to a level of 6817 today. If you want to buy US Tech 100, you can buy it at a level of 25389. 25,389 is the level at which you should buy US Tech 100 today. Nasdaq 100, you can buy it at a level of Nasdaq 100 futures, you can buy it at a level of around 25,643. 643 is the level at which you should buy the Nasdaq 100 futures. Let me now talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up to a level of around $94,000 yesterday, and I had told you all very clearly that Bitcoin can test a level of $82,500, $82,000 to $83,000 in the next few weeks or in the next coming months. There is a possibility of Bitcoin falling to a level of somewhere between $82,000 and $83,000. Silver. My view on silver right now, for the next 15 to 20 days, is that silver can fall to a level of somewhere between $65 and $67. Somewhere between that. Most likely it is going to fall to a level of around $65, $66, $67. That is the kind of levels we can see on silver in the coming days and months. But if you want to buy today, you can buy it at a level of $73.60. $73.60 is the level at which you should buy silver today. And gold, you should buy it at a level of 4415. So silver can touch a level of 73.60 today. Crude oil WTI, as I had told you all, that it's going to go up, and it's going to go up to a level of $60.20. Yes, possibility. There is a possibility. So it's not for today, but my predictions for crude oil WTI is not for today. It can go to $60.20 in the coming weeks and months. Yes. Coming weeks and months. Copper, I'm still very bullish, but the level which you need to buy copper at would be $5.46. That is the level at which you should buy copper once again. $5.46 copper. I am bullish on copper. See, silver can fall further from here, there is no doubt, and silver can touch a level of $65, $66, $67. But as soon as you get $67, as soon as that level comes, you can buy there. You can buy there. And S&P 500 within January, you can see it touching a level of 7,000. Yes, 7,000 is on the cards for the S&P 500. I have no doubt about it. So again, silver has started to fall, and 73.60 is the level at which you should buy silver today. Silver and gold both are bearish for me. I'm bearish on silver and gold both. Even copper today is bearish. But I'd recommend you all to buy at lower levels instead of selling from higher levels. I would recommend you all astrologically and numerologically to buy at lower levels. Don't take a trade, don't take a sell trade, don't take a short trade, don't sell gold and silver right now or copper. It would be best for you to buy instead of selling. Natural gas is showing some signs of weakness today, but generally speaking, I'm slightly bullish on natural gas also. So if you get a level of around 3 in fact, you can buy natural gas at a level of $3.40. $3.40. That is the level at which you should buy natural gas today. Copper, you can buy it at a level of today $5.71. Gold today, you can buy, as I told you, I've already told you today. So my levels have come off silver, on silver, I think. Oh no, it hasn't. It has run up again. But if you get a level of 73.60, buy it. So S&P, I'm slightly bearish on it today, and a level of 6871 is likely. It's on the cards. It's on the cards. Okay, now let's see some questions. Silver target today. Yes, from a level of 73.60, it can touch 75.30 today, 75.30, 75.50 today, 75.30, 75.50 today. But at the level which you should buy at would be 73.60. Silver next day trend up or down? Trend is down. For the next 15 days, I am bearish on silver. For the next 15 days, 15 to 20 days, I am bearish on silver. And silver can touch a level of $65 and $67 in the coming days, weeks or months. No, sorry, in the within this month. I'm sorry. Yes, possibility. Copper prices can also decline. Yes, there is a possibility. But generally speaking, I'm bullish on copper. SanDisk, buy and long-term targets. I think I've already spoken about SanDisk. Let me just check once again. See, if you ask me the same question again, Mr. Alam, or somebody asks me the same question again, my targets my levels may not match. See, if you want to buy this for the long term, not before 261. Not before 261, please. Not before 261 for the long term. Yes, it is going to fall to a level of $261 within this year, Mr. Alam. SanDisk will fall to a level of $261 within this year. Easily. 100% perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Vijay Kumar. BTC updates. Can we buy here? Mr. Vishal Kejriwal, my view about Bitcoin is that, Bitcoin can again test a level of $82,000, $83,000. So if you want to buy for the long term, right now, I wouldn't suggest you to buy. And if you want to buy for today only, for today's trading, then the level would be somewhere at 88,800 today. 88,800 today, and not before that. My time cycle theory says 22nd January plus minus 1 day we can see a bottom in gold and silver. Well, you may be right, Mr. Kejriwal. I don't want to say anything, but yes, as I told you that a bottom is likely, yes. But it can fall. That is the main thing which I want to tell you all. That it can fall. It can fall. That is my main point actually. That it can fall. Yes, 22nd January, I'm telling you all, in the month of January itself, silver can fall to a level of around, say, somewhere between 65 and 67. But if you want to buy for the long term, 67 would be a very an ideal level to buy at. Ideal level. So let me talk about y'all today. Yes, let me talk about y'all and life today. Your life, let me tell you, one thing is certain in this world. One thing is certain in this world, that nothing is certain. Don't look for certainties in anything in your life. Whether we'll be alive tomorrow or not, that is not certain also. That is the most uncertain thing. You are here today, you might be gone tomorrow. So there are no guarantees, there are no certainties in the life. So my point is, there are no certainties in anything in this world. See, the thing is that if we are looking for certainties in our life, then we are making a blunder. We are making a mistake. So my predictions regarding the stock market, I might be wrong. There are no certainties and guarantees. in this world. So my predictions about the stock market is also means I am talking on the basis of astrology and numerology. And my predictions can also go wrong. And don't ever think that whatever you think of, whatever you envisage for your life, whatever you feel for your life will happen. Because, life has a lot of surprises. Life has a lot of surprises stored for us. And any time that surprise can come into our life. It can be in the form of some difficulties, some problems, or some miracle as well. It's not that it's going to, everything is certain and it will happen according to your, as you have thought it will happen. No. You will have to go through the ups and downs of the life. You will have to deal with the uncertainties of life. And if somebody tells you that everything is hunky-dory, everything will be good in your life, everything will be certain in your life, he or she is lying to you. So you must hope for the best and be prepared for the worst. You must hope for the best and be prepared for the worst. And if you think that everything will come on your platter and life will give you opportunities very easily, then you are sadly mistaken. You are completely wrong. You will have to become a go-getter if you want to do something in your life. You will have to chase the things which you want in your life. You will have to create that mindset of a winner. First of all, the most important thing you need to ask yourself is, what do you want in your life? The second question you need to ask yourself is, how badly you want that thing in your life? And the third question you need to ask yourself is, how much are you willing to suffer to get that dream, that goal in your life? So these three questions: what do you want in your life? How badly you want in your life? And how much you are willing to suffer to get that thing in your life? Because nothing will happen in your comfort zone. You will have to become comfortable being uncomfortable. Yes. If you are trying to fulfill your dreams, usually these things happen. And let me tell you, the other side of the coin is that, everything in life happens for a reason. Everything in life happens for a reason. It might not make sense right now. Everything happens for a reason, and it may not make sense right now in your life. But eventually, when you look back, you will understand why it happened with you. Why those things happened with you. Today you might say, oh, it's too tough. It's too difficult. Oh God, why did you do this to me? Why did you give me this problem, this difficulty, this health issue, this thing in my life? But that was, if you look back at your life, if you see in hindsight, you will understand that those things which happened to you was for a reason. The good, the bad, the ugly. The good, the bad, the ugly. Whatever happened to you was for a reason. So never doubt your life's process. And don't ever think that everything is a certainty in this world. Never think that. As I told you, hope for the best and be prepared for the worst. Because life is part negative also. You must learn how to handle the negative, because after every day, a night comes, and after night a day comes. So after, when the day has passed, night is imminent. It is imminent. That is the law of nature. That is how it will happen. So you cannot disturb the nature, You cannot disturb the routine of a particular day. First it will be day, then it will be night. First there will be, you must be able, you must be prepared to handle the adversities. If you are going through a good time, you must be prepared for the adversities as well. Like, some people say that we must save for our rainy days. Yes, that is a very true saying, that we must be prepared for our rainy days. We must prepare ourselves mentally, emotionally, physically, financially. And it's not going to, you are not going to, have it easy for you. Nobody has had it. And you must be prepared for it mentally, that anything can happen any moment. But that doesn't mean you will give up. If you face a difficult situation, you will say, oh, I'm not going to do anything in my life. No. If you fall down in your life, if life slaps you around and you fall down, and if you lay on the ground, you need to get back up. You need to get back up. If you fall down one time, get back up the second time. And if you fall down 9 times, get back up 10 times. And that will happen. Without even knowing you, without even talking to you, let me tell you, that will happen. Everybody in this world has faced the trials and tribulations of this life. And you and me are no exception. No. And if you are praying to God, if you are, if you have tremendous faith, if you have tremendous belief on God, that doesn't mean that nothing will happen to you. Your prayers, your faith will help you to fight that difficulty, fight that problem, fight that hurdle, fight that obstacle, fight that barriers. God's name will give you the strength to fight all these things and more. It will give you the strength to get back up. Because we are all part of God. And God gives us a difficulty, a problem for a reason. Yes. As we say that if the pain to remain the same is greater than the pain to change, then you will change. If the pain to remain the same is greater, where you are right now, if you are feeling more pain than that change which you want, you will change. You will change. Then only you will change. My point is that. So God puts you in an uncomfortable situation so that you can change. God's word, rejection is not, the end of the world. If you are getting rejected in your life, if you don't get something in your life which you want, that is nothing to get worried about. Rejection is not failure. It is just a redirection. God is rejecting things in your life to tell you that take another route, take another direction, take another road, approach things differently. It's not the end of the world. Failures are not the end of the world. They are teaching you something. They are teaching you something. Your mistakes are teaching you something. Nobody likes to be a failure, But in order to win, you need to fail. In order to gain, you need to fail. Because where there is no gain, where there is no pain, there is no gain. No gain. Where there is no pain, there is no gain. Where there is no loss, there is no victory. You will have to lose to win someday. You will have to go through that process step by step. Losses, wins, losses, wins, losses, wins. That is what makes you stronger on the other side. If you go through the struggles, the trials, the tribulations of your life, only then you will become stronger on the other side than when you went into that problem. When you went into that problem, you were weak. You didn't know what to do. You couldn't understand why it is happening to me. Oh God, why did you have to do this to me? Your question to God would be that. Oh God, please. Why are you doing this to me? Let me tell you that God may not call you, may not come when you call Him. But He will be there right on time when you need Him. When you have your back towards the wall, when you are fighting, when you don't have any place to go, then God will come and bless you. He will help you. He will hold your hand. And I believe that whatever is happening for our good. Whatever will happen for our good only. And whatever is happening currently is happening for our good. So why worry about the future? Do not have any regrets for the past. Don't worry of the future. The present is happening and the present is your gift. Your present is your gift. And make the most of your present. Make the most of your gift. Because you never know whether this gift will be there for you tomorrow or not. So learn to value time. Value. Because every moment in our life is precious. As I told you at the beginning of this talk, that today we might be here, tomorrow we might be gone. So our purpose of our life should be to help others, to make people comfortable, make others comfortable. I'm not saying you become uncomfortable, but at least you can make others comfortable as well, along with you. So that is what I wanted to tell you. And let's see. Okay, now some questions have come up. Let me see. Perfect, Mr. Kejriwal. Congratulations to you on your profits. Great. I want you to earn millions and billions of dollars. Mr. Rishabh Soni. Yes, Mr. Rishabh, I'm not saying it won't touch 272. It will still touch 272. But a correction is imminent. Mr. Rishabh Soni. 272, I had said it went to 260 and it has fallen from there. I'm still telling you all that it's going to go up. It's going to go up. But ups and downs are a part of this market, Mr. Soni. But I cannot lie to you as well, right? I need to tell you the truth. Please, on copper. Copper, I'm bullish. Copper, I'm bullish. Next week, gold, silver, or reversal from tomorrow? No. I don't think so. There is any kind of reversal. It's not going towards $80 first. It's going towards $65 first. Silver. And gold is going towards $43. Oh, $4,300. Mr. Prajwal, it's going towards $4,300. Possible in the next 15 days. I'm not talking about today. See, it can go up tomorrow. It can again fall. So this trajectory, this propensity will always be there in the markets. It cannot go in one direction. It cannot keep on falling and it cannot keep on rising. You have to understand that. Mr. Rishabh Soni, you need to understand this. That markets will never move in one direction. Never. It has never happened. It will never happen in the future. So maybe, tomorrow gold and silver may go up. This is not my prediction. I'm just talking generally. I haven't seen tomorrow's horoscope. But it may go up and it may again fall, and it can fall to a level of $65. This is my work. This is my, because I cannot tell you all something which is not going to happen. If I'm seeing something in the horoscope, I will tell you all. I will tell you all. See, next 15 days are going to be very, very choppy. Very choppy. So be very careful. I would suggest you all to make an investment in gold and silver if it falls. If it falls, I would suggest you to please make an investment, a physical investment in gold and silver, or through ETFs as you wish, depending on Ethu, Hare Krishna, Anandji. I'll answer this question. Please do not ask me about the Indian markets because this is a live streaming for the American markets, US markets in dollar terms. So please do not ask me anything about the Indian markets right now. My request to you all would be, my humble request. Thank you. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's currently trading at 57.95. My God. No need to worry, Anandji. Average it at around 33 rupees. Not before that. Not before that, please. And there is nothing to worry. It will go up. There is nothing to worry, Anandji. 33 rupees is the level at which you should average Ethu ETF. 2x Ether ETF. Yes, you should do that. No, Mr. Prajwal, I think it's not very good for the commodities. See, Mr. Prajwal, I'm not talking about Nifty right now. So let's not talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty right now. I'm talking about the American markets. So my apologies. Yes, I don't think so that, you see, copper has a limited downside to it. copper has a limited downside to it. And copper, I think if you get a level of $5.46, that will be the level at which you should buy copper. And it's, as I had predicted earlier, at $5.30, that copper will go to $6. It went. Y'all saw that, right? People who have been following me since a long time, they know my predictions. If you are new to this channel, you might not understand the authenticity, the genuineness of my predictions. I'm not saying I'm 100% right, but I'm quite right with my predictions. Yes. So that pretty much completes my video for today. Have a good night. Have a good day. Wherever you are in this world. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.